Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on iPhone. First, go to Photos. Now, go to the photo that you want to hide. Or you can also select multiple photos at once. After selecting, tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Now, just tap on Hide. You can also choose a single photo to hide it. Just select the picture and then tap on the three dots on the bottom right and select Hide. After that, the picture will be moved to a hidden album. Now, go back and open your phone settings. From here, scroll down and search Photos. Once you're here, tap on Photos. After that, make sure Show Hidden Album is disabled. Now, the album will be hidden and you will need to use your Face ID or password to access it. To find it, just go to Photos and then go to Library. From here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see an option that says Hidden. Just tap on it and then put in your Face ID or password. That's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.